Can you believe that this was created with AI? Yes, this was created with AI. Even this was created with AI. I created as many product packages as I could with AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. So hello, if this is your first time on my channel, click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video to as many people as you can. What I do here is to teach you how to prompt, create, and dominate. And on this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create stunning product packages like you just watched earlier. Let's get into it. So you might be wondering, what exactly are these product packaging creations for? The truth is, many businesses are springing up daily. In Nigeria alone, we have thousands of businesses that are coming up daily. And these businesses sometimes come with the idea of having a product in the market. What you are going to position yourself as is as an expert that can help them in designing the actual packaging of the product. That means you focus on creating the box, the label, or even the wrapper design. It's more like you are creating the physical packaging itself. And if you are very good at what you are doing, you can make a sustainable living from this. So let's get into it. I used two tools for this. I made use of ChatGPT, and then I made use of Wix AI. Like Wix AI has become my love now. I talked about Wix AI in my previous videos. You can go check out my previous videos to know how to make use of Wix AI. I gave ChatGPT a prompt, and then I told it, okay, if you've been following me, you know I always emphasize on using this dictate icon. You could type what you want though, but I just like dictating it because typing could be sometimes tiring and I feel so expressive when I talk. So I told it that I'm trying to create products and I want them presented on a mockup. Like I'm trying to visualize the product's packaging. I gave it everything. I said, use my name, RIRAH. So it said, okay, it's going to use RIRAH as a multi-product lifestyle brand. And it's going to create each product to have a realistic visual identity. It's also going to add the mockups, and it's going to look like they are ad-ready products displays. They're having the packaging, the models, and the environment. So there are three things they did here for me: product concepts, the packaging design, and then the mockup presentation. Now, the product concept is, it does the idea of the products like hair cream, flashlights, perfume. That's the product concept. So the packaging design is how that product is supposed to look like. If, for example, I'm having the perfume, how should the packaging look like? That's the design ahead. Is it going to come in a square bottle? Is it going to come like in a high heels bottle or something? And then the mock-up presentation is, now I have that product, I have the packaging. How do I make it visually appealing to the eyes? That's the mock-up presentation. So it gave me 10 different product ideas. This is everything. You can see the concepts, the packaging, and then the mock-up. I'm going to leave these prompts for you in my Telegram group, so you can join my Telegram group. I'll leave the link there so you can access it. All right, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to copy this. It's as simple as this. Just copy this. There are a lot of AI generators, image generators you could make use of, but I love using Wix AI because I just feel like Wix AI is a lot. Like Google is doing so much for us. And you can generate this on the free plan. Don't mind the pro plan, the pro you are seeing here. This is because you can generate images for free on Wix AI and ChatGPT. Of course, this is the free version of ChatGPT I'm making use of. I'm going to paste it here, and sometimes AI could be so funny. You could say there are some words it rejects, but let's click on enter. And if it rejects any of these words, I would have to reprompt again. So this is her. Okay, this prompt might violate our policies. So I think it would be this African woman. Let me change it to a stunning lady. Let's do a stunning lady. Let's click on enter. Still violating policies. So a stunning lady with rich natural colors. Applying, let me see, applying the hair cream. Click on enter. Let me see again. Hopefully this would go. Still violating the prompts. Okay. So I could copy this. Let me copy this. Come back to ChatGPT and say, I need you to rewrite this. AI keeps rejecting the prompts that it mentions prominent people. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to rewrite this. It happens, so don't worry, you tend to experience these things once in a while. Let me copy the second one and still try. I think it would be because there's a name there or something, not quite sure. Then let's try this one. So this one is supposed to be for a body cream. So we have the concept. Wow, this is nice. This is beautiful. So I think I'm having it as square shape because yes, this is on square. Let's leave it on landscape and see. So mockup prompts is model. Let's say I want the model in full. Let's say full image of the model or a model. However, it will be creative enough to give us something, but this is it. So okay, this one says about generating prominent people. I'll have to tweak that prompt again. So let me just full image, remove this. All right, so this is the second part it generated. This is it, RIRAH Pure Radiance. And if I don't like this, I could still remove this prompt. And I sometimes just try to tell it without talking to ChatGPT about my prompt. I could just say, I need you to create a stunning, the three things I want is, I want a product concept, a packaging design, and I need you to create a stunning product concept for a body lotion called RIRAH Glows. Packaging design prompts, mock-up presentation prompts. So I'm going to say I need a model applying the same lotion, and I need the lotion placed on a table with the ingredients or constituents, something like that. Ingredients used. So let's try this one, see. So back here, let me go back to that prompt and keep all the details, prominent people or identifiable individuals. Okay, let me copy this and see if it's still going to give us what we want. Wow. All right. So this is the second one. So this one came out of my imagination. I didn't even use the prompt from ChatGPT. This is RIRAH Glows. So somebody might reach out to you and say, oh, I have this hair cream or I have this body lotion and I don't know how the product's packaging should look like. So with this, you can create it and you even have the model putting it on. You could present it to the person. And if you still want to be more creative, like you want to be more outstanding, you could just come to ChatGPT and say, someone reached out to me. The person has lotions for sale, but the problem is the person doesn't know how the packaging should look like. I need you to give me a prompt to create a packaging idea, a written prompt to create a catchy packaging idea for the products. Then once ChatGPT gives you the prompt, you just come to its AI and then you present it to the person. So this is it. This is it. So we could even try another one and see. Let's try another and see. And let's also try that prompt we copied earlier from ChatGPT. So with this, you can create different kinds of products. I want to try another one. This one is RIRAH Perfume. Let's copy it and see. AI and rejecting prompts, can be so funny. So this one is Chin Chin. RIRAH Chin Chin Crunch Delights. Let's also paste this. Oh, I love this. See this one. And if I don't like this, I could say, I do not like the bottle shape. I do not like the bottle shape. Change it. Click on generate. Let's see. So, see this one. RIRAH Chin Chin. Let's say I have my Chin Chin, for example. And see, in as much as this looks like, this changing actually looks like cheese balls, but you get the idea. See, this one, I said I didn't like the packaging. It's changed it for me. So I could even refine and say, change the packaging to a shoe, to a female shoe, so a female shoe, and change the mockup. So mockup are all of these things. That's the presentation. This is mockup. So click on enter. So this is another way you can embrace AI and make use of AI. This is it. And if you want the characters needs to be probably Nigerians, you can also emphasize on that. Okay, this one we had people of another ethnicity. So this is it. So okay, I was the one that made a mistake. I was supposed to say a packaging shoe. Let's come back and try this. Refine. Change the perfume packaging to a female shoe perfume package style. Click on enter. So come back here. Let's try another one for cereal. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste. So with this, you can create as many mockups as you want. And like I'd always say, see this one, like I'd always say, always put yourself out there on social media because you don't know who is watching. There are a lot of brands out there that need something like this. And the more you do all of these things, the more you get perfect at it. See this one, wow, I love this one. So this one now you see is having turmeric. See the presentation. That looks beautiful. Cocoa pod, honey, turmeric. See, this is amazing. I love this. Okay, back to our perfume bottle. So see, so our perfume bottle, right? So let me tell you to change the mockup. Change the entire mockup. So let's generate again. So this is this one. See how beautiful it is. In as much as AI can be very crazy with text, but this is it. It gets the idea, and I think this is this is hibiscus, lemongrass, and mint. These are mint leaves. These are lemongrass, and hibiscus leaves should be inside the packaging. Hibiscus is simply zobo. So that's it. So for this one, I said they should change the mockup, and this is what they changed it to. So if I don't like this, I could say, let me try this. I want a stunning lady holding the perfume. So let's see. Click on enter and wait for that to generate. So with this, you can create as many as you want. Let's try this lip balm. Copy and then paste. It's as simple as this. You just have your idea. Make ChatGPT your friend. Explain everything you want. All of these were created. And if I want to charge for this, it's really going to be a lot because you're taking out your time. If you don't even like this, I can say, I want the packaging to be more classy, and enticing. Classy and enticing. So generates and see this one. This is okay. I think ask me this. So see this. I want a stunning lady holding the perfume. Let's say I want her full face. This is it. Generates. And with this, you can create as many products packaging as you want. I'm sure you learned so much from this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many people as you want. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp for one-on-one classes, join my Telegram group, join my WhatsApp channel. Let's learn how to prompt, create, and dominate with AI. Look at another one. This is stunning. This is beautiful. All of these were made with AI. See this. I made it with AI and just simple prompt. And I just showed you the process. So I'd like to see what you created. See this one. I said I wanted it to show me the full face of the lady. So we have it here. So I could even say, I want her spraying the perfume. So if you are doing something advanced, as you know, you want to show the entire process, you could first of all start by showing the picture. You show this, you add this, you show her spraying it. None of those stunning video creations. That's exactly how you achieve this. So please leave a comment, share this video, and if there's something you'd like me to teach you, because this particular video I created, it came as a result of someone's request. So I don't know why. Okay, I think she's okay. Yeah. So it added something here, and we can see the spray. So you can go on and on to refine it, and it's that easy. So like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and expect my next video. Until then, keep prompting, keep creating, and keep dominating. Bye-bye.